Hi everyone, it's Shine with another deep dive. This time I'm talking about the sync contacts feature in Unified. This is probably the most sensitive topic to discuss, and rightfully so, because we're talking about personal data. And not just data about you, but data about your friends, family, and other people you care about. Because Unified is first and foremost a platform for organizing, it is important that we make it possible for users to leverage their existing contacts. After all, that is the most effective kind of organizing. But we have to manage that data in a way that treats it with the privacy and security it demands. So let's talk about how we do that. There are three major steps to the sync contact process. Step 1. The mobile app pulls raw contact data from your phone and sends it to our servers. While this happens, we filter out any contacts that can't be associated with an individual person, like they're missing a name or something like that. We just keep valid contacts. Step 2. We clean contact data and store it and merge it to form a contact record. Each contact record may contain phone and email information. This is called PII, or personally identifiable information. It's viewable in certain parts of the app, but only by you. Step 3, the contact record is used to create a person record. This record represents a real person, but doesn't contain any PII. Any additional information from third parties, like voter rolls, is used to enhance the person record. That record is used by Unified to understand the strength of individual relationships to that person, determine which user might be in the best position to take action on them, and so on. So basically, our data architecture separates PI, the contact record, from other information, the person record, that can be used to manage the person effectively. The contact record is only viewable by you, and the person record is used internally to help engagement. Hopefully that more technical description of how the syncing process works helps you understand how data privacy is part of the inherent design for Unified. But let's go a bit further and touch on a few more important points before we wrap up. First, you won't need to sync your contacts at all to use Unified. There are a lot of things you'll still be able to do without it. Second, if you do choose to sync your contacts, you'll be able to pick which ones get synced. You don't have to sync all of them. We know some of you have some really sensitive contacts on your phone, but still want to be active. Unified has you covered. Third, you'll be able to remove contacts at any time. Unified will make it easy to remove all of your contacts or just specific ones anytime you want to. Because we store PII data separately, when you remove contacts, any personally identifiable data is also removed. With all that, we hope you feel comfortable using Unified knowing that we're designing the system with data privacy in mind. We are more than happy to address any lingering questions or concerns you might have. Ask away on social media if that's where you're seeing this, or better yet, join our superfan community and ask our team directly. Our engineers would love to get into the nitty-gritty details with you. You can join the community by going to joinunified.us. We would absolutely love to hear from you. Thanks.